Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a Trello board. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and hit the enter button. If you're not logged in for your first time, you'll be taken to this page. Make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Trello for free to create an account. You'll be able to use a Google, Microsoft's, Apple, or Slack account if you have one of those, so you don't get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in as an example, you should find yourself here. You'll have your workspace. If you don't have one, just go and create a workspace. Very easy to do. And create some boards if you don't have any. Because as we said, we want to share a board. So we would like to have a board first. For me, I'm just going to this board as example. Okay, this is kind of empty. This one, I guess, is it template? Yeah. So an example, I want this board and to share it with other people. How can we share it? First of all, make sure your board is public. So anyone on the internet can see this board. Not only, of course, only board members can edit, but click on yes, make board public. So now when you share it with other people that are not invited in your workspace, that's maybe, I don't know, not your, don't have even a Trello account, they will be able to see it. So make sure to keep it public. So when you share it with other people, they will be able to see it good. Now we want to share it. So as you can see, if you go to the top right corner, you'll find the share option. Go and click on that share, and basically you can share it with members, and simply you can enter their email or name, or you can simply click on share again here, or simply share with the link. And everybody, of course, change like permissions, so can join as members or can join as observer. As you can see, observer, you'll need to upgrade the plan. So now, if someone has this link, and let's say example here, need to create this like this, and has this link. If they click on it as an example, they'll be asked, first of all, to join an account or to an account. So because you don't have the ultimate plan or the better plan, you are just on the free plan, you will not be able, as an example, to share it with people that doesn't have like a Trello account. If you can share it with other people that has the Trello account, you'll be able, as an example, to share it with them and they don't have an account and they can simply see it. So yeah, that's how you basically share a board. So this is gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.